Jaden, are you ready for your first movie? What are we going to watch? What? Yay! Let's go.
626 is unstoppable. Indestructible.
Let's go. You ready? Dad already. We're going to see Lilo on stage. It's my son's first time. Literally everyone in the household is going except my sister. She went to go get crabs instead. But yeah. This is his first time. It's sold out. Oh, souvenirs. Sold out, guy. This is his first time. I want to see his face. It's your first time being here, Jay? Yep. And they recline.
I can't recline too far because of my bifocals.
Oh.
That's why I brought that pillow.
We're kind of close. We're in the second row.
Yeah.
I know, I'm on that.
I bought a bottle of water. It's in my...
Good. Okay, you guys get a bottle of water.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Tyler, can you and Jaden hold the popcorn, please?
Oh, boy.
Thank you. I'm gonna go put butter on our popcorn.
Let me see your ticket, Jay.
I'll do that before so we can put our own.
Let me see your ticket.
Turn it around.
Ooh.
Yeah, me and
What's in there? What's in there? Now, what's in here? What is it?
Don't throw that away. I can see them.
It is going to be dark in here, yeah. You got your M&Ms. Are you going to share them?
What number, Tyler?
I got so many.
You got so many. I know. Oops.
Who made this mess?
Yep, this is it.
Thank you.
First, you let my mom and dust that?
Yes. Come. We're going all the way down.
Where's the movie?
It's not on yet. Go down. We're looking for letter H. Can you find H?
There's H.
No. Look on the floor. You see them? F, G,
H.
and this is H. Letter.
There's H.
Yeah. And all of the seat is ours. Where do you want to sit? Right there? Okay, go ahead.
That's too small.
Okay, push that. Nope. Other one. Here, look. This one.
What's up, big man? C2 soap.
It should start 6:35.
6:20.
Oh, I don't know.
Advertisers.
Tell her. I need to see Jaden's face. Can I see his face?
Okay. There's so many movies.
Take your
They're skipping everything. I don't want to miss the beginning of the movie trailers. That's big, huh? Peace are coming on now. Are you ready?
I said 10 minutes.
But hurry and stairs.
Is the product of illegal genetic experimentation.
What deranged lunatic would create something like this?
I prefer deranged genius, but thank you for the introduction.
Dr. Jamba Jukiba, you were tasked with...
A creative spirit. But most important, you get each other. Ohana. Use them. Because proud.
I know, we're gonna get you food.
He's hungry?
He just like saying that right now. Everything he's hungry for.